Okay, we are about 3 days out from an upper and lower lip reduction for an ethnic appearing lip. She also had a lip reduction, how many years ago?
7.
7 years ago. So this was a revision lip procedure. She's from another country, came in, and she's just a few days out. I tell all my patients they don't necessarily need to stay here, but she's here. Maybe she likes Dallas. She just had some nice tacos, but not from a good place. Don't eat that place. I don't think it's good. Anyways, any discomfort? How are you feeling?
I feel absolutely great. I have no pain.
Good.
Honestly, hardly any bleeding, hardly any discharge, anything like that. I was able to eat normal food actually at certain points.
Awesome.
And definitely I could even smile. So the stitches were well done. Everything was done really well.
You had your other lip reduction under general anesthesia. You had this one completely awake. How was
Yes.
the pain level during the procedure?
Oh, no pain at all.
0, right?
0.
I'm not paying you to say this.
No, not at all.
Tell them about what the results were like from the other doctor compared to this one.
Well, when I first did my lip reduction, right after I was pretty much not conscious as much. I was drooling all over my face. My lips were swollen like 2 basketballs.
More swelling than you're seeing now 3 days out.
It was barely any swelling from the beginning of the surgery till now.
Okay.
So definitely an improvement. The comfort level in terms of the recovery was like unexpected. I didn't think that I thought I would be in pain, and I actually have no pain at all.
And the result you had from the last one, did you see any difference or anything? Or?
Definitely. Here is very defined.
With the other doctor?
Oh, with the other doctor, there was just a bit of a reduction, but because the stitch came out before it was supposed to, there was a problem. So it didn't heal well, and then it ended up leaving me with a bump. Okay. But now that bump is gone.
But I'm saying I'm not trying to put words in your mouth, but this is a big difference
yes,
in 3 days.
Definitely.
Because as far as I see, you probably, again, I don't want to put words in your mouth, but you didn't, there wasn't that much of a reduction with the last one, was there?
It wasn't a big reduction in terms of the size. It was just more like the way how it looks. Yeah. In terms of cosmetically, it just looks a lot better.
Awesome. Very good. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.